a 3-story semi-detached home situated within the high-demand Upper Beaches Estates neighbourhood. Welcome to 79 Whistlepost Street. Beautifully landscaped and with a stone interlocking walkway to its covered front porch, this home opens with a ceramic tiled foyer accented with a decor column that invites you into a combined living and dining room finished with dark hardwood flooring. Filled with natural light and brightened by a gorgeous contemporary chandelier in the dining area, the shared recessed wall is papered with a chic modern pattern, and this entertaining space, as well as the adjacent kitchen area, have the elegant finishing touch of crown moldings. The kitchen and its breakfast area have pot lighting and enjoy the natural brightness of a south-facing exposure. And from here is the walkout to the backyard. The yard features a wood deck with a pergola, an interlocking patio area, and provides access to the detached double-car garage. Natural lighting and a bright white palette accentuates the spaciousness of the kitchen area, while the darker shades of the stone countertop, the glass-tiled backsplash, and the chalkboard wall add striking contrast. Complete with a stainless steel double undermount sink, oven with gas cooktop, over-the-range microwave, fridge with bottom-mount freezer, and built-in dishwasher, the kitchen also features great cabinetry storage including a pantry, as well as pendant lighting above the breakfast peninsula. And there is also a gas fireplace bringing coziness to the entire room. Carrying to the second level is a curved staircase with dark stained treads and railing accented with white risers and spindles, with the railing continued along a carpeted staircase that curves to the third level. Hardwood flooring flows throughout these levels, and the second level also features 2 bedrooms, both with double closets. The second bedroom additionally features a papered accent wall and a chandelier, while the third bedroom has a contemporary light fixture and the natural brightness of a south-facing exposure. And shared between these rooms is a bright 4-piece washroom with a ceramic tiled floor and bath area. Enhancing the grandeur of the incredibly spacious family room is its cathedral ceiling, while second and third story windows on the north wall allow for abundant natural lighting. This wall is also painted in a deep shade as a striking accent feature, and recesses on its east wall are ideal for media and display units or to customize with built-in cabinetry and shelving. The staircase from the family room leads to the third-level master bedroom, its south-facing exposure filling it with bright, natural light. A crisp color palette enhances its brightness, and this room also features a French door walkout onto its own private balcony, crown moldings, as well as his and her double closets. The 5-piece ensuite washroom has a spa-like aura and features ceramic finishes throughout, a soaker tub, a separate shower area with a glass door surrounded with marble accents, as well as his and her vanities. Just off the dining area is a sunken landing, where you find a powder room with ceramic flooring and a pedestal sink, as well as access to the lower level. The stairs to this level are finished with hardwood, and hardwood flooring as well as pot lighting are featured throughout. Off the spacious landing is a cold room, built-in shelving, and 2 storage closets, while down the hall is a laundry room behind a set of bifold doors. Across from the laundry area is a 3-piece washroom with tiled finishes, a pedestal sink, and a glass shower, and this level is complete with a spacious bonus room with a closet that is ideal as a bedroom, a playroom, den, or office. A short walk to William Hancock's Park, public transit, an arena, and a community centre. This home is also close to schools, the Danforth GO and Main Street subway stations, as well as the shopping, restaurants, and entertainment along Danforth Avenue, and has easy access to the Don Valley Parkway.